Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Ledger Live to Crypto.com desktop wallet. So connecting your Ledger hardware wallet to the Crypto.com on-chain desktop wallet allows you to securely manage your crypto assets. So just follow these step-by-step instructions to set up the connection. So first step is download and install the Ledger Live application from the official Ledger website. So just open the Ledger Live and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Ledger device, including installing the necessary applications for the cryptocurrencies you intend to manage. Now after that, just download and install the Crypto.com on-chain desktop wallet application from the official Crypto.com website. So you just have to visit the official website of the Crypto.com and you will see a download button from there. Now, after downloading the two applications, just use the provided USB cable to connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your computer. And then after inserting the cable, enter your PIN code to unlock your Ledger device. And then after that, just launch the Crypto.com on-chain desktop wallet application on your computer. And in the Crypto.com wallet application, just choose to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. And then just select the appropriate network configuration, like for example, mainnet or testnet, based on your requirements. Now, when prompted, just open the relevant application, like for example, the Cronos, POS, Chain, or Ethereum on your Ledger device, and ensure that your Ledger device display's application is ready. And then after that, just click Connect on the Crypto.com wallet application to establish the connection. Now, once connected, you can use the Crypto.com on-chain desktop wallet to send and receive funds. You can also view transaction history and manage your crypto assets securely. So for detailed instruction and troubleshooting, you can refer to the Crypto.com Help Center. And that's it. By following these steps, you can securely connect your Ledger hardware wallet to the Crypto.com on-chain desktop wallet and manage your cryptocurrencies with confidence. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!